Hello, fellow seekers of sociological understanding. Welcome back to Crash Course Sociology, where we embark on a journey through the intricate layers of human society. And today, I'm thrilled to guide you through another enlightening exploration in the fascinating realm of sociology. If you're new here, a warm welcome to you. We're a community passionate about unraveling the complexities of social interactions, structures, and the forces that shape the societies we live in. So, whether you're a sociology enthusiast, a student navigating the depths of academia, or simply curious, in today's lecture, we're delving into a topic that forms the very foundation of sociological inquiry: social interactions. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our sociological explorations. Your engagement and insights are invaluable to our shared learning experience. Let's get started. What if I told you that every small conversation you have, every shared glance, plays a role in shaping the structures of society? Sounds intriguing, doesn't it? Stay tuned as we delve into the intricate web of social interactions and their profound impact on our communities. What is social interactions and why it is important? Simple definition of social interactions is social interactions refer to the ways in which individuals engage with one another within a society. These interactions can take various forms, ranging from verbal communication to nonverbal cues and shared activities. Types of social interactions. Following are some types of social interactions: verbal interactions, conversations, and communication through spoken language; nonverbal interactions, communication through gestures, body language, and facial expressions; symbolic interactions, communication through symbols, signs, and shared meanings; group interactions, engagement within social groups, such as families, friends, or communities. Functions of social interactions are as follow. 1. Socialization. Interactions play a crucial role in the socialization process, shaping individuals' understanding of societal norms, values, and roles. 2. Relationship building. Social interactions contribute to the formation and maintenance of relationships, fostering connections between individuals. 3. Cultural transmission. Through interactions, cultures are transmitted from one generation to the next. Role of technology. Digital interactions, with the rise of technology, social interactions extend to digital platforms through social media, emails, and instant messaging. Impact. Technology has both facilitated and altered the dynamics of social interactions, influencing communication patterns. Social interactions are often guided by societal norms, defining acceptable behavior and communication patterns. Individuals engage in social interactions with certain expectations based on cultural and contextual norms. Positive social interactions contribute to the cohesion of a society, fostering a sense of community and shared identity. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.